Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. We are Group 3 and today we'll present our case study about Nippon Express. So, our group consists of 5 members and each of us will explain different parts of this presentation. We hope our presentation will help everyone to understand more about logistics service provider and how Nippon Express operate globally. So, before we go deeper into the case study, let us start with a short introduction about the company and the role of LSP in the logistics industry. So, let's move to the introduction section. Hi, my name is Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Muhammad Daud and my matrix number is A25B4603. So for the introduction, we have the definition of logistics service provider, which is the company that manage goods movement, which is in the sub, we have transportation, warehousing, distribution, supply chain solution. So what the importance of LSP is about to ensure the efficiency, to cut cost reduction and have fast delivery, and they have to make sure that customer have the satisfaction. So for the Nippon Express, what the company background is about, they have been established in 1937, which is in Japan, and their global operation in 40 plus country, which is they have the company in Malaysia too, and what service they provide is A and C freight, warehousing, distribution, and e-commerce logistics. So, in this case study, it showed that how LSP support modern business operations.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faizudin bin Kusni. My nomenclature is A25A4972. So, I'm going to talk about background Nippon Express. The company history founded in Japan about 1937 and start with rail and truck transport. It expanded into the global logistics service and joined NS Group about 2022. For the global operations, they operate in more than 15 countries, around 3,000 offices worldwide, strong presence in Asia, Europe, and America. For the logistics service, they use air, sea, rail, and road transport. They have warehouse and distribution. They are custom with supply chain management, and then e-commerce and cold chain service. For the role in industry, they support global trade and supply chains. They ensure safe, fast, and safe delivery, use technology and sustainable practice, and focus on customer satisfaction. Alright.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shudin bin Abdul Arif. My matric number is A25B4496. So I will be presenting about logistic activity of Nippon Express. So there are 5 logistic activity, which is transportation, warehousing, freight forwarding, inventory management, and distribution management. So the first logistic activity is transportation. Transportation involves moving goods from one location to another. Nippon Express use different modes of transportation, which is road transportation, rail transportation, air transportation, and sea transportation. So this technology used in the transportation is use a digital tracking system, which is you can track the location of the goods in real time. Second is a customer can track shipment also in real time. And lastly, the transportation route are planned carefully to reduce the delivery time, fuel costs, and transportation expenses. And the second logistic activity is warehousing. Warehousing means storing goods safely before distribution or sale. Nippon Express operate warehouse around the world. Warehouses are equipped with modern facilities, security system, and a surveillance technology for security. And the products stored in the warehouse is the electronic, machinery, food product, medical equipment, and consumer goods. And third is a freight forwarding. Freight forwarding manages international shipping process. So Nippon Express help business transport goods between countries smoothly. So the service provided arrange cargo transportation by air freight, sea freight, and sea freight. And Nippon Express prepare shipment document and form and handle the custom clearance procedure. And next, another one is inventory management. Inventory management involves controlling and monitoring stock levels. Nippon Express provide digital inventory system for clients, and they also track quantity of the stored goods, monitor movement of product within the supply chain, and provide the accurate inventory information. And lastly, distribution service. Distribution service means the delivery product from warehouse to all factory to consumer, retailer, and businesses. Nippon Express use efficient delivery network and transportation system. So the service provided by the Nippon Express for the distribution service is delivery scheduling, route planning, and lastly last mile delivery. And that's all for me for the logistic activity in Nippon Express. That's all, and thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Wanura Alia Syahada binti Muhammad Junaidi. My metric number A25A4852. Today I would like to present the importance of logistic solution service with reference to Nippon Express. First, logistic solution service help to improve supply chain efficiency. They ensure the smooth movement of goods and reduce delay in business operation. Logistic service also improve coordination between supplier, warehouse, and customer. Nippon Express use one logistic system to manage operation efficiently and ensure goods are delivered smoothly. Second, logistic service help reduce operational costs. Proper route planning and inventory management can reduce transportation and warehouse costs. It also helps to minimize product damage and unnecessary expenses. Nippon Express provide cost-effectively logistic solution that help business save time and resource. Third, logistic solution service ensure faster delivery. Customer today expect quick and reliable delivery service. Logistic company use real-time tracking and efficient transportation route to improve delivery speed. Nippon Express provide reliable domestic and international delivery service to ensure product arrive on time. Lastly, logistic solution service increase customer satisfaction. Customers are satisfied when product arrives safely and on time. Good logistic service also improve communication and shipment tracking, which can help build customer trust and loyalty. Nippon Express focus on providing reliable service to improve the customer experience. So in conclusion, logistic solution service are really important because they improve supply chain efficiency, reduce operational costs, and ensure faster delivery and increase customer satisfaction. This service help companies remain competitive and operate more effectively. Thank you. That's all for me.
Hello and good morning everyone. My name is Uminur Isha binti Fazil. My metric number is A25A4886. Today, I will briefly explain the main challenge faced by Nippon Express in logistic operations. One of the major issues is rising fuel and transportation costs, which increase overall operating expenses. Another key challenge is supply chain disruption caused by unexpected events such as pandemics, natural disasters, and also recent global conflict and wars that happened between US and Iran, which have affected trade routes, fuel prices, and shipping stability. In addition, delivery delays can happen due to custom issues, weather conditions, or congestion at ports, which may reduce customer satisfaction. The company also faces technological challenge including high costs of digital system and cybersecurity risk. Another important issue is labor shortage, which can slow down operations due to a lack of skilled workers. Lastly, there is increasing pressure for environmental sustainability, where companies must reduce emissions and adopt greener logistic practice. Overall, this challenge shows that the logistics industry is highly affected by both economy and global political factors. That's all from me. Thank you.
So we became to the conclusion, which is the role of logistics service provider, which is critical in managing goods movement globally. So Nippon Express in the contribution is provide integrated logistics solution in air, warehousing, distribution and e-commerce. So the benefits is to improve supply chain efficiency, reduce costs, increase customer satisfaction. So what about the challenge is about to rising fuel, supply chain disruption, and have a tech demand. How about the solution? The solution is about to do more automation and have the real-time tracking and have the green logistic to support Nippon Express to become more smoothly and efficiently. That's all from our group. Thank you and see you next time.